Hopefully you guys can hear me clearly, because for one, I'm hoarse, and two, I just looked up a new mic. So let's see what that do. For today's video, we have a wife who married a Jamaican man, and she said for the past 4 years it was obvious he was using her for a green card and more. So let's get right into the video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and all of them good things there.
Blood clot. My husband's going live and literally went live calling his new girlfriend. Now, we're not divorced. I put a restraining order on him because of the severe amount of verbal abuse, rage, anger, name calling, gaslighting, like emotional fucking abuse, like bad shit. And I finally said, I can't be with him anymore, and this is my house. I'm not going to move out. This man, when he talks to his Jamaican woman, who he was always talking to behind my back, which was one of the reasons that there was constant tension, because he was lying about it, saying it was his dog Sean when it was really this woman Shireen that he would send money to, that he literally has a full out affair with. And he's on his live calling her and referring to me as the person, the people them. And when she was asking him about something, referring to the house, he's just calling it, oh, it's sent there because that's my address on record. And I'm like, what do you mean this is your address on record? Like, you were my husband. This was our home. He also, on other TikTok videos that he recorded in our home, while he was telling me every day, I love you, and being my husband and acting like he loved me, someone once commented about how cute the dog was. And you want to know what he said? Oh, that dog is the people dem dog. The people dem? You can't even give me the value as your wife of even calling me by name. You can't even say thank you, that's our dog, Riley. Like, he cared for Riley every day. Riley and him and I were a family. Like, he was our dog. She was our dog. She is my dog. And he just talks about her like she's just the people dem dog. He doesn't even refer to me by name. Now, when I set this restraining order, it was because I didn't feel safe in my home. It wasn't because I stopped loving him. And I know that's a sad, sick little thing, because I'm trauma bonded to him and I'm getting therapy for it. But I loved him. And I cared about him, and I took this marriage seriously from day one. I took it seriously. And it's so obvious to me that he never did. And he's already in a relationship with another girl. He just called her. She's on the beach with her kids and ended the conversation, I miss you. So clearly they've physically been together already. Like, it's only been like a month, maybe like 5 or 6 weeks since he's been out of the house, and he's already got a woman that he's calling, probably multiple women that he's calling. And it's like, dude, all you had to do, I can't even say if you loved me, because clearly he never loved me. And I just want you to see that this is a crime. For 4 years, he's done this to me. It's not like we had some agreement to get him to the US. Like, even when we were living apart, I went to see him 15 times. 15 weeks of my time off from work, and every day went to be with him. The thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars on plane fare and on taking us out on the road and going to some Airbnbs to get out of, Duhaney Park, and 15 suitcases full of loot, things for him because I loved him. just simple things like toiletries and nice things like new shoes and new sneakers and yard clothes and dress clothes and new phones and big screen televisions. And I bought him an entire studio of equipment, everything. I loved that man. And he did nothing but lie to me and abuse me and gaslight me. And I should have never, ever stayed with him, but I couldn't leave. I felt like I needed him or I couldn't survive. And I think he knew that about me. But how fucking cruel that when I finally protect myself from this mental torture and this mental abuse, that he goes out there and doesn't even respect me enough. That he goes out there on his live, calling his new girlfriend, calling his Jamaican woman who is not a classy woman. She has, when I tried to reach out to her one time, I texted her just to say, hey, like, I know you're close with my husband and I don't know you. And she was like, what the fuck are you texting me for? And I said, I just like feel like we should be friends. And she said something like, you can come and eat out the stuff from my PUSSY because I just fucked my husband. And I'm like, you are saying this to me, you don't know me, you are a fucking disgusting woman to say that to me. And after I had that interaction with her, and by the way, Shireen, I'm saying your name because you are a low-life woman. You knew what he was doing and you just played along with it. You don't know me. I'm a good person. I'm a woman of high character. I'm a woman of high quality. I'm a woman that he was so blessed and lucky to have in his life. He didn't deserve me at all. And you talking to him behind my back, treating me like that when I was trying to be friendly is just like the lowest life thing. And so here he is on live calling her in front of the world, even though no one's watching. You stupid fucking fool. Hoping that maybe I would see it. I did see it. I did see it. And yes, it hurts. It hurts that you don't even talk about me to her as if you loved me, because you told me every day you loved me. You hugged me, you kissed me, you made love to me. You were faking it, weren't you? Because at the same time you were talking to this woman behind my back about me in a way as if you couldn't stand me, in a way as if the lies were so deep you couldn't even see through them anymore. You didn't even know what was real anymore. You made her believe that this was all a big scam and a big lie, but you made me believe that it was real. So you're lying to one of us, and maybe you're lying to both of us. And this new woman, does she know how many women you're texting? Like, who the fuck are you? Yeah, I can say what I want on social media. Obviously you can, so can I. Dawn, Alex, what's your real name anyway?